Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks. First, you'll want to set up your company file and customize your chart of accounts to fit your business needs. Then, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It provides a quick overview of your financial health. Learning to navigate the menus efficiently will help you access all the powerful features QuickBooks offers, making your accounting tasks much simpler from the start. Next, let's dive into managing your money. You can easily create and send customer invoices, then record payments as they come in. For expenses, enter vendor bills and schedule payments to keep your cash flow smooth. Remember to categorize every transaction correctly. This is crucial for accurate reporting and understanding where your money goes. Understanding your business's financial performance is key. QuickBooks allows you to generate essential reports like profit and loss statements to see your earnings and expenses. Regularly reconciling your bank accounts ensures all your transactions match, providing accurate financial data. You can also create balance sheets to get a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at any given time. Finally, explore some advanced features to further streamline your operations. QuickBooks offers robust payroll capabilities to manage employee compensation and taxes. You can also track inventory levels, helping you manage product costs and sales effectively. For more great tips and deals, including a link for the Owala water bottle, check out the description below this video. Mastering these tools will significantly boost your business efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.